Muthu spent 4/7 of his money to buy 6 identical pens. He spent the rest of his money to buy another 4 such pens and 3 identical files. Part A. What fraction of Muthu's money was spent to buy the 3 files? We are told that 4/7 of his money was used to buy 6 identical pens. However, we cannot divide this 4/7 equally by 6. I will times the fraction by 3. The numerator times 3 becomes 12. The denominator 7 times 3 becomes 21. Hence, 12 out of 21, this fraction, is used to buy 6 pens, 6 identical pens. The total units to represent all of his money will be 21 units. Out of these 21 units, 12 units is used to buy 6 pens. He used the rest of his money, which is the remaining 9 units, to buy 4 pens and 3 files. Now we need to figure out how many units is 4 pens and how many units is 3 files. Let's start by analyzing this part here where 6 pens is equals to 12 units. 6 pens is equals to 12 units. Hence, 1 pen will be 12 divided by 6, which is 2 units. 4 pens will be 2 times 4, which is 8 units. So 4 pens is equals to 8 units. And the remaining will just be 1 unit. And 3 files will be equals to 1 unit. For part A, what fraction of Muthu's money was spent to buy the 3 files? That will be 1 out of 21. And moving on to part B, for every 5 files bought, 1 additional file was given free. How many files would Muthu get in total if he were to spend all his money to buy files only? 1 unit can buy him 3 files. His total amount of money is 21 units. 21 units will be able to buy him 3 times 21, which is 63 files. And for every 5 files he buys, he gets 1 additional free. Hence, we need to find out how many groups of 5s are there in 63. We take 63 divided by 5. That gives us 12 remainder 3. That means there are 12 groups of 5. And every one of this group, he gets 1 additional file. Hence, the total number of files that he will get will be the 63 that he bought plus 12 additional files, 1 file per group. And the final answer is 75. You can also visualize it this way. He bought all these 63 files, and every 5 files he get 1 free. And how many groups of 5s are there? There are 12 groups of 5s. Here, here, and here. So there are 12 groups of 5s. That means he get 12 free additional files. So to find the total number of files he get, we will take 63, which is this entire part here, plus the 12 free files, which is here. And that gives us 75.